Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Ocho Rios becoming a parish. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now the government recently announced that Portmore is to become a parish. Portmore is a municipality in the parish of St. Catherine, but it has grown so much that it should be a parish by itself. So the government has put forward the legislation, and it's just a matter of time before Portmore becomes a parish. But if we look at Ocho Rios, outside of Kingston and Montego Bay, Ocho Rios or St. Anne has the most development. Now, St. Anne is the second largest, or is it the largest parish in Jamaica? It's between St. Anne and St. Elizabeth. And the capital of St. Anne is St. Anne's Bay. But the major town in St. Anne is Ocho Rios. So it's time that the government splits, or guys, let me know what you think about this. The government splits St. Anne into two parishes. One parish, Ocho Rios, the other parish, St. Anne. St. Anne's Bay would remain the capital of the parish of St. Anne, and the parish of Ocho Rios would include Ocho Rios Town, Marmy Bay, Draxall, Runaway Bay, and Discovery Bay, and Bosco Bay. Now, that is the tourist, those are the tourist sections of Ocho Rios. But all over the world, Ocho Rios is known. Just as an example, when the Ian Fleming International Airport was built in Boscobel, they listed the address as the airport being in Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios has cruise ship piers. Ocho Rios has the top three tourist destinations in Jamaica. So it is time Ocho Rios managed itself. And so you'd have the parish of Ocho Rios with its own parish council, very tourist oriented. And then you'd have St. Anne managed by the St. Anne Municipal Corporation. And St. Anne would include St. Anne's Bay, Brownstown, and all the other towns up in the hills and valleys of St. Anne. So guys, let us know what you think. Now I'm going to read a section of an article just to give you an idea of the potential of St. Anne. Now, the Prime Minister recently gave a speech at the opening of the Boscobel Urban Center. And this is what the Prime Minister said. He pointed out that while St. Anne has been developing very well owing to its proximity to St. Anne and the spillover from the tourism sector, residents continue to face notable challenges within the parish. So that is the potential of St. Anne re-tourism. So my suggestion is, and guys, let me know what you think, take all those major tourist towns that we listed and make Ocho Rios a parish, and then Ocho Rios will have its own capital. And you could choose from any one of those major towns, although the town of Ocho Rios would be the ideal location. The fastest growing area in Jamaica is Draxall. Marmy Bay is fully developed. You have Duns River Falls, the number one tourist attraction in Jamaica, and probably the Caribbean. I'm not 100% sure, I'm just guessing. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.